Peoples Cable Group Company Limited is the developer, manufacturer, sales provider of wires and cables. Established in 2007 and the headquarter located in number 5 Yongding Road, Gongyi, China. The building area is 44,125 square meters. The registered capital is 100 million yuan. Peoples Cable has advanced production equipment and the improved detection system. We are dedicated to the production of high, medium, and low voltage wire and cable series. The main products are PVC building wires, PVC and XLPE insulation power cables, rubber, mining, and welding cables, ABC cable, bare conductors such as AAC, AAAC, ACSR, etc. All our products produced with the standards of GB, IEC, BS, ASTM, NF, AS, NZS, etc. We have obtained ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, CCC, and CE certificates. Products have been exported to Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa, South America, and other countries. Through many years of ongoing endeavors, we have gained cooperation and widespread compliments from clients all over the world because of our superior quality, reasonable price, and attentive services. We look forward to your contact and visit.